Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Roku 2026 AI glasses style smart glasses, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. Are you tired of juggling your smart glasses with your phone? Well, wish those days are behind you, because the Roku 2026 AI glasses style smart glasses are here to revolutionize the way we interact with technology on the go. With its sleek and lightweight design, this innovative gadget is perfect for anyone who wants to stay connected without being tied down. So, what makes these smart glasses so special? For starters, they come equipped with not one, but two AI assistants, Gemini 3 and ChatGPT 5.2. That's right, you've got your own personal knowledge partner built right into the frames of these glasses. Imagine being able to ask it anything, from object recognition to real-time information retrieval, all with just a simple voice command. It's like having your very own supercomputer at your fingertips. But that's not all. The 12MP camera on these smart glasses is capable of capturing stunning photos and videos, perfect for vlogging or documenting those special moments. And with electronic image stabilization, EIS, you can record smooth and stable footage without any shakiness. Whether you're hiking through the mountains or just running errands around town, this camera will keep up with your active lifestyle. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite features, the real-time global translator. Imagine being able to communicate seamlessly with anyone, regardless of language barriers. No more fumbling for translation apps or struggling to find a quiet spot to talk. With the Roku 2026 AI glasses style smart glasses, you can break down language barriers instantly and connect with people from all over the world. Of course, no smart glasses would be complete without voice control. And I'm happy to report that these glasses deliver crisp, clear sound while maintaining your privacy and awareness of ambient noise. Whether you're driving, cycling, or just walking around town, this feature is a game changer. But what about battery life? Don't worry, the Roku 2026 AI glasses style smart glasses have got you covered. With an all-day battery system, you can enjoy up to 6 hours of music, 5 hours of calls, or 2 hours of online translation, or even go for a full day with the optional charging case. In terms of real-world performance, customers seem to love these smart glasses. They rave about how comfortable they are and how easy it is to use them on the go. Of course, like any gadget, there may be some minor complaints, but overall, these glasses have been well received by users who want a hassle-free way to stay connected. So, should you get your hands on the Roku 2026 AI glasses style smart glasses? In my opinion, if you're someone who's always on the go and wants to stay connected without being tied down, then these glasses are worth considering. But if you're looking for a gadget that's going to revolutionize your entire lifestyle, or if you're just not sold on the idea of smart glasses in general, then maybe these aren't for you. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.